So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your Shopify store. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in your Shopify store, go to your sales channel, and then from your sales channel just locate your online store, and then from there you will have to locate your own theme. So mine is the Dawn, it's my current theme, version 13.01, and then all you have to do is customize it. And then from there you will be redirected to your store. So here all you have to do is go to your theme settings, and then you go to your logo. So here you want to do a logo. So here all you have to do is select image from your own choice or explore free images that you want. So I want to just use another image of others, so let's go with tech right here for my logo. So let's just use this stock looking picture. So there you go, that's my logo. So as you can see right there, you can edit it with its dimensions and many much more. So after that you can just save it right here and you're good to go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.